Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my cheese space, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to hold a dart on a gown. It's just a simple gown top, the front side. I'm going to be going to fold it into two as you have seen, and I'm going to be taking 4 inches from that folded part, 4 inches just like that. I will mark my 4 inches just at the top there to make sure that I don't get the wrong measurement, and then I also mark 4 inches upwards. As you can see, I will mark 4 inches upwards. After I'm through with marking 4 inches upward, I will mark half inches by the both sides of the mark space, just half inches at both sides. You want to make sure that it's only half inches and not more than that. It's just a little hold that's going to be done there. When we are done, we'll draw a line from the 4 upwards down to the 4 below, and also draw lines connecting the half inches to the tip of the 4 above. With that, I'm going to be holding my material, just like just like how you've seen in the video. That I'm going to hold it just very small. So I'm going to sew through there, and it's over to the sewing machine, and I'll just take my material that I've already marked. I will try my very best to make sure that I only take a very small piece. It's only half inches, so I shouldn't encroach into 1 inch. From there, I'll just sew through the fabric with that half inches there. You see, and sew through the whole finger, and when I'm done, that's it. That's how you take that for the front, and probably for the back. As you see, you have to cut through your thread. You don't want it to be messy, and just like that, I'm done with my dat. I have sewed through to make that upward triangle. And when you're done, you also do this to the other side of your fabric, and you also do that to the back. Don't forget to like and subscribe.